All right, guys, so let's start with our baking soda. So I'm just gonna put a decent amount in here, just enough to cover the whole entire dish. So kind of like this. And then we're gonna scoot it around and spray our counter clean. So how many sprays of counter clean do you need? It kind of depends. I would go like 3 to 4 at least, and then you can see that the counter clean kind of put the baking soda together, and so that's not quite enough to cover the whole dish. So I'm gonna go ahead and add more baking soda to it. There is never like a limit or a good number. The goal is that you want a nice little paste to cover the whole entire surface of the dish. So now you can see I put more baking soda, but it's not wet. So I wanna make sure, like I said, I wanna create that nice little paste. So you don't want it to be too liquidy, but I want it to be, ooh, that's a big chunk, enough to create a nice little paste. So now that it's, see, I'm just gonna move it around and squash it around with my finger. It's still pretty dry because I add kind of a lot of baking soda. So I'm gonna keep spraying it until I'm able to get that nice little paste where like nothing really moves around. You see a little liquid there at the bottom, so I'm gonna move the baking soda around so that it soaks all that up. So you want a nice firm little paste just like this. And again, you want it to cover the whole entire safe surface. So it's still a little dry at the bottom here. So just kind of have a feel with your finger. And you're gonna squish it around just like this. Perfect. So what we're gonna do, man, it smells amazing. What you wanna do, there is no need to scrub harsh because you don't wanna create any dents or any like big like scrapes. So this is the easiest way I found, because look, you can just let it sit like this, and like I said, we're gonna let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow morning I hope you're ready for some magic. Hey, so it is the moment of truth, you guys. So after soaking overnight, I am now about to show you what this warmer dish looks like underneath after I do a little bit of scrubbing. So let's take a look. Hopefully you remember how like gross looking that was. So I'm using like very minimal effort, you guys. You could see how easy all that buildup is coming off. Look at that. We have a brand new spanking dish. It just doesn't even look like anything has ever happened. Look at that. Yay! So again, baking soda and counter clean, that is all you need. And I mean, let me get some paper towels so I can actually show you. I'm gonna dump some of this out so we can see the before and after. Wow, look at that. And seriously, do you remember all that like nasty buildup? Just a little bit of scraping simply with my finger, and look at that. Yay! So you see how easy that is? I'm gonna keep scrubbing, and then I'm gonna do a before and after picture so you guys can see it. Easy peasy. So if your dish looks like this, know that it's super easy to clean and make it look brand spanking new. Bye guys.